Hey everyone, today, we're diving into an essential topic, how to prepare for a hurricane. With hurricane season in full swing, it's crucial to be ready. Let's make sure you and your loved ones stay safe. Preparing for a hurricane involves several key steps to ensure your safety and well-being. Here's a quick guide. 1. Stay informed. Monitor weather reports. Keep an eye on local news, weather apps, or the National Hurricane Center for updates. Know the hurricane categories. Understand the potential impact of different categories to gauge your risk. 2. Create an emergency plan. Family communication. Decide on a meeting place and how to contact each other if separated. Pet care. Include your pets in your evacuation plans and have supplies ready for them. 3. Build an emergency kit. Gather essential supplies, water, at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. Food, non-perishable items that last for 3 days. First aid kit. Include necessary medications. For secure your home, board up windows. Use plywood to protect against wind and debris. Secure outdoor items. Bring in or anchor down furniture, tools, and decorations. Familiarize yourself with local maps. Identify routes and shelters in your area. Have a plan for transportation. Ensure your vehicle is fueled and ready to go. 6. Prepare for power outages. Charge devices. Keep phones and power banks charged. Have a battery-powered radio. Stay updated if power goes out. 7. After the storm. Stay indoors until it's safe. Wait for official announcements before going outside. Assess damage carefully. Watch for hazards like downed power lines or flooding. By following these steps, you can help ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones during a hurricane. Stay safe.